even though after years we're still struggling with them after 1 year. So please bear with me. All right, so this I cut from inside, nice to trim and wash, and I already gave it a base. Right? So we work from there. All right. So we're gonna season up our water for the lobster. I have my onion. I already put thyme and bay leaf in there. Here I have some celery. Just gonna toss everything in, right? Here I also have some seasoning pepper. Here in the Caribbean we call them seasoned pepper. There ain't no heat to it whatsoever. Okay? You can pass it around, you can hold it and get the sweet aroma from it.
I don't know if I have those. Have you ever had that?
What's that?
Seasoned pepper?
You get that sweet aroma?
I think,
Yeah.
is it when you put it all together?
No, this is.
Oh, a seasoned pepper? Oh, okay.
It's
okay.
not as hot.
So you know seasoning
you can't
pepper,
do
right?
it.
I think no, it's strong enough. I smell it through this.
Oh yeah. Here I also have some minced garlic. Of course we're gonna add some to it.
And this takes about how long?
Pretty much with proper prepping, it should take you probably 15 minutes.
Oh, okay. Well, you got to do the prep before.
That's right.
Yeah,
That's
I
right.
know. But he's a good prepper.
Some
You
salt.
know, I'm like struggling. Oh my gosh. Okay. I
Right.
did cut this. No, he's very
I
good.
always tell her when she cooks, she doesn't prep right, and then it makes a mess. Like you got to get all your stuff ready, and then once it's
I'm that
ready,
way
it's
too.
easy to cook.
I can't do it unless
Yeah.
it's ready. Everything needs
Yeah.
to be ready.
Okay, so let me elaborate on the salt a bit. I put a small amount in there, right? And the reason why I did that is because these bad boys, they're fresh. Alright, and they still contain water inside.
Okay.
So the moment they hit the heat, they will open up and then the seawater will basically be in there. Alright, so you have to be careful with the salt when you're cooking fresh seafood. Alright?
Not too much salt.
No,
Because they already
Because
have their own salt.
these are salty. That's right. Alright? Okay, so I'm gonna get right into making my ravioli, right?
Oh, ravioli.
Decided to do a little bit
Nice.
extra today.
That's mint.
This is basil.
Basil.
fresh
Oh, basil. Oh, you
that's
just
right.
said basil. See?
This is from the garden.
That's right.
Isn't it nice when you have your fresh stuff? You just pick it right off. Just makes such a difference.
Herbs is good. Yeah. We just can't keep a lot of them alive by us.
Inside I'm gonna put my lobster tail.
Ooh.
Oh,
Wow.
Alright.
That's a local Antigua lobster?
That's right.
It's fine.
Just some across there.
Oh, really?
Alright.
Okay, fresh. Oh, okay.
Oh yeah.
So, okay. So you get it from the local fisherman?
Oh,
Or-
yes.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
yes.
Nice.
Just the tail, right? And there's no claws on the Antigua lobster. I think Antigua lobster only has meat in the tail, right?
Meat in the tail.
But not in the claws like a Maine lobster or something.
Okay, so we're only gonna do one eggplant, right? Not a lot, so I'm gonna waste it, alright? So these, I already roast them off from inside because we do not have the space out here. So I already pre-cooked them, well, basically cook them from inside,
You roasted them.
pretty much.
Okay. How long does that take, the roasting? Because
Pretty
I
much,
normally boil them.
Depending on how young they are, probably 10, 15 minutes.
Okay.
These little ones.
Slow-
Usually it's
slowly.
the
Yeah,
big.
okay,
In
slowly.
the oven?
In the
No,
oven?
on the grill, on the charcoal.
Oh, on the grill. Okay. sauce. Oh, nice. Okay.
Not too sweet.
Yeah.
Which one's? Oh, you got. I think the one that she got the one that you got. He just said
It
to,
goes crazy trying to sneak across. Y'all know crazy, right? A little salt to taste. And some black pepper here.
You make your own ravioli?
Pretty much. Yes.
Okay. Just curious, you know.
We don't serve those pre-made stuff.
Okay. I guess.
You know what? I have a few ravioli lovers in the kitchen, so I'm gonna make a few and take it.
Oh, okay, nice.
Yeah, right.
Oh, and our daughter, she loves ravioli, but can't tell her what's in it. Her like her taste buds are like so like.
Well, pretty much you can put anything in it. You can use blue cheese, parmesan, pumpkin, whatever it is.
cauliflower. We got a good one.
Cauliflower.
It's good with, yeah.
That's right.
Goes good with cheese, yeah.
How old is your daughter?
8.
Oh,
Yeah.
cute.
She's on the other side of the island with my mom and sister-in-law and
Oh,
the
that's nice.
kids.
You guys can have your own little vacation.
Yeah, it's just like we
Nice
just
little
need.
break.
Yeah, yeah. How long does the lobster take?
Well,
while you're
when you're
doing
cooking seafood, you have to always try your best not to overcook it.
Yeah, I know. That was just a general question.
Oh yeah. So pretty much with this being fresh and all, probably just
Smells so good.
6-7 minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
How do you know when it's done?
Basically, it will turn white all the way through. So if you should tilt it a bit here, you can see like watermark inside here.
Yeah.
So when that changes to this, it's good.
See, I've never cooked lobster because I don't eat lobster, so.
It's very important for you not to cook it well done all at
Yeah.
once. You have to take it out after a while and leave it to sit for like 5-10 minutes,
Okay.
and it will be perfect
It
after.
keeps cooking inside.
Pretty much. It's called carryover cooking. It is
Yeah.
like a steak. Never
Yeah.
try to cook a steak to the desired temperature because you have to cook it
And then let
like
it rest.
halfway and leave it to sit after.
Yeah.
Okay? Sorry, this thing made me lose it.
No worries.
And I can't touch it.
Oh, you get to have
Okay.
some done.
So we're gonna make this happen real fast.
Whoa. That's real fast.
Those clams, those will cook in a minute.
So here is my wonton skin. Okay, so you don't have to make fresh pasta sheet from scratch. You can use wonton skin, right?
Okay.
Oh, okay.
They sell those everywhere.
Yeah, the Asian stores.
No, everywhere. Public sells
Really?
it. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Even if any supermarket sells this.
Pretty much. Yeah.
Nowadays, yeah.
Should try to try this.
You think it'll take us 15 minutes?
Probably like an hour.
If you have everything ready, it might.
If you have everything prepped, you should be ready in 15
Yes,
minutes.
yeah, it's true. You agree with him. Prepping is key. Because sometimes I'm starting something. Oh gosh, I don't have garlic and chicken.
I know.
Yeah,
I do.
it's like-
Yeah. I hate when that happens.
I'm like, I call it the hot mess kitchen. It's like I admire my friends who cook and like everything is so like clean and organized.
Organized.
And I bake too, so that's always.
Organization is the key.
Yes. Don't like this. Dan Berman says that.
Do you make the hot sauce?
Oh, yes, sir.
Oh, ooh, yeah.
We had it before. It was good. Very hot, but tasty, yeah.
Yeah, it's good actually.
Thank you. Thank you.
You just have to get used to the first initial and then
It was
yeah.
hotter than I expected, but
Yeah,
like,
it was
can
good.
usually take it. I
Flavorful.
could usually take it pretty hot.
Yeah.
But
Yeah. Those are some local peppers that we also got from our garden.
From the garden.
Scotch
Okay.
bonnet or it's a different
So
similar?
those are basically mixed. A little,
Okay.
a little bit of both.
It's a beautiful thing when you have your own garden and wow, you can just
everything's so
pick
right
everything,
there.
make it, and
We
have
haven't gone and see it. We should walk by there
and
later.
have happy guests.
Now next is the hardest part.
The wrapping.
Yeah.
I never get it right when I haven't tried it in a while, but always comes up hard.
What do you use to seal it?
We don't do it. I haven't too often, but a little egg something usually. A little. What are you gonna use? I think I
You can
used
use-
a
you can
egg
use,
wash or
Just egg wash or water. And that's what I will use now.
But we bought the other day a little press, so I haven't tried it yet. Because it's for empanada, or you can use it for ravioli. Like a little, just fold it over and it seals it. Cheating. Yeah, chefs don't like that probably, but for amateurs it's good.
Alright, so this is how we're gonna do it.
Okay, so you just use bottled water.
You can use egg wash as the gentleman said just now. You can even use flour and water just to seal it. Come on, don't let me down.
Oh, that's better. He does it cross, so it makes it now it's easier. All right, I used to try to go on top or fold them.
Like perfectly match them.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
I haven't done that in a long time, but I remember trying to do that and then never. I was fishing out of the pot and half the meat was at the bottom.
So I have a mold here that I use just to seal them.
All right.
You can use like a teacup just to seal them.
So just pushing, but you're not cutting it. Just pushing it.
That's right. And this one could be a little bit sharp, so you cannot apply too much pressure on it because you don't want to cut through it, right? Alright. I have a pot here as well. So apply extra pressure to it here.
And the pop. Oh,
Okay.
The sauce does smell nice.
It smells so good.
That's about it for me, but yeah, I do. Yeah, but the sauce is always smells nice. And then there's like a 2-minute boil.
You can do the top of this too.
Oh, okay.
Question I didn't ask. Any allergies? Any restrictions?
Nope.
No? Okay. Good stuff. I apologize for that. Normally I would do that.
She
in
won't eat the
beginning.
shellfish. I'll eat it.
Oh, you don't do shells.
No, it's fine. No, it's not allergy. It's a taste thing.
Okay.
And I
She's
grew-
from Antigua
I
and she
grew up in
doesn't eat
Antigua,
shellfish.
but and I grew up in Param, which is a fishing village, and my mother
You
would
from
bring.
here?
Yeah, my mom. We had cocktails like around this time of year.
Oh
It was
man.
by the bayside.
And you
in
don't
the
like them?
village. No, I never did. She'd bring home all the cocktails and she would cook them up and like the smell. I was like, oh, no, I think it's just like a taste thing. With seafood, or is it a texture thing? I'm not sure.
But she'll eat fish,
I'll
but
eat
not
fish.
like shellfish.
Man.
Yeah, I know. And I grew up around it. That was like pretty much staple of like what we had. Like, it was like fish, cockles when it was in season, or sometimes I would bring home like a lobster, conch. I'm like, nope.
Not for me.
She used to insist on her steak and all her meat like cooked to like leather, but now I've gotten her like halfway back.
Because I'm like, it's an island thing. If
So
there's
you won't
blood
be
in your
eating
food,
meat, you'll
it's
be
not
eating
good.
cardboard.
Yeah,
Oh man.
I got her to medium, sometimes medium rare. I'll do it rare sometimes.
Knock down the
But
temperature one each
Right.
yeah,
time.
But I said, like, it's an island thing. Like, growing up, like, if you had blood in your meat or something, it wasn't cooked. You know? So,
Yeah, it's like a mental thing. You
yes,
just think
yes,
it's, yeah.
yes.
No,
I'm
you,
gonna
can,
tell your granny, so don't eat that.
you
This is
cannot
not
kill it. The cow is already dead. You cannot kill the meat also.
I think it's odd he would kill it better.
and it's hard to cook steak when you like if we had one piece of steak and we're both trying to share it, and I like it like
He liked
rare, rare or the medium rare, and she likes it more. Like the difference between rare and medium well is like another 15 minutes sometimes
I
cooking.
graduated to medium.
So like, well, I'll cut half of it off, then I'm like,
Stick it back in
I
my mouth.
I'm like, you gotta finish it because I gotta go eat mine. Yeah,
I've graduated to medium, okay?
Okay, you're doing a good job,
Okay,
sir.
Yeah.
there.
You're doing a good job.
yeah, I got her medium. But she'll freak at the color, but she likes how it tastes. But she sees like when she sees anything more than pink,
Well, she's right.
she's like, I can't eat this. I'm like, you could. It's good.
Try
you know,
telling
if
my
it's good
grandmother
quality,
That's
you can eat it.
that a bloody piece of meat is cooked. She'll be like, that's not cooked.
It's not,
it's
but it's
against
good.
it's against the chef's laws as
I
well.
know, right?
Yep.
Yeah, we don't cook
Yeah.
steak well done unless it's a stew.
Right.
Okay, so we sometimes ask, do you want me to do a stew?
Oh, really?
Yeah, because I cannot kill the beef again.
So, like, if somebody says, hey, I want it well done, you'll do it? Or you're like,
Well done, we'll do it well done.
we'll do it. Okay.
Yeah,
Right.
but we will not dry it out
Right. Okay.
to that extent.
Okay. Okay. Looking good here.
We're almost there, right? Don't want to bore you guys too much.
No, it's
No, this is good.
fascinating to watch.
Almost there. We're taking all the necessary precaution to keep you guys safe, okay?
Yeah,
We
absolutely.
appreciate it.
You get a lot of conch around here?
Conch salad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love conch salad. But by us, it got the conch meat is so expensive now.
Yeah, it used to be probably the cheapest seafood right
Yeah.
now. Right now you can
Yeah.
hardly afford it.
Because even where there's a lot of Caribbean people and Jamaicans stuff. You go to those markets, but it's still 20 US a pound
Oh yeah.
for conch.
Yeah.
It used to be the cheapest right now.
But I find anything that, like, even oxtail. by
Oxtail
us,
got
ooh,
expensive.
it's like, how much? It's crazy. Like,
Yeah.
you get an oxtail meal and it's like maybe four chopped up little pieces with a lot of sauce. It's very expensive by us now
Yeah.
in Fort Lauderdale.
These used to be like the giveaway pieces that no one wanted. Like
Yeah.
conch.
Used
Now
to
it's
be
become like, hey, we can do all these cool things with oxtail and
used to be
yeah,
like the
yeah.
kill part of the cow, right?
Yeah.
Now
Yeah.
it's prime meat. Okay? So I think we're almost there with our lobster. So let me take this out. I wanna kill it either. Okay? Now with my caca, I'm gonna add some. Don't worry, I got
Yeah.
Should make you a video.
some wine to this.
Mm-hmm.
See, no measuring cups.
That's right.
No, right? Then,
Some liquid.
That's for baking.
Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Baking needs to be exact.
And we're gonna add our crackers to that in a minute, right? So before that, I'm gonna make a chunky tomato stew.
are those local?
Not these ones.
Okay, yeah.
That's a good one.
It's tough heart, yeah.
Yeah, the ones that we normally get here, that we normally grow here, that we call them grape tomatoes,
Okay,
and those are a bit firmer.
yeah.
I think your battery's on low.
It's okay. I'm gonna make it to the end of this.
Oh, yeah.
That's a good thing about iPhone.
You're gonna be all over the internet. now.
Wow.
So come to Hermitage, man. You get first class service and fresh lobster. Like, how many pieces you get fresh lobster and cockles? Well, I
So-
cockles.
When did you start cooking?
It's been a while. Pretty much just about 25 years now.
Wow.
Yeah, from age 17.
Did you go to school here for cooking or overseas?
I'm originally from Jamaica, so
Okay.
I did quite a bit of the basics there, and I also study at the CIA.
Okay.
So
CIA.
Culinary
That's the
Institute
culinary
of Vermont.
Oh, okay. I'm
My
like,
first thought was,
In New York?
that's upstate New York.
Yeah.
okay. And what are the places have you like worked, like hotels or countries?
Well, just Jamaican here.
Jamaican, yeah, okay.
I haven't branched out as yet, but soon.
Soon.
I hope. All right, so here we have some minced garlic.
Minced garlic.
Minced.
Minced. Oh,
Minced. Sorry.
Starts minced.
it is good.
Extra olive oil in here. Hazel. Just gonna roughly cut this one.
Mhm. Smells good. Yeah.
So onion and garlic.
Mhm.
That's right. We're keeping it simple, right?
Mhm. And some thyme.
Definitely.
Yeah, you gotta have the time.
Yeah.
You're down, you gotta have the time. It's the Allen thing.
Yeah.
And the series, yeah.
Yeah. Listen here, look at this. Oh, yeah. So now we're gonna put in some taco, not all of it. Alright. As soon as this open, they're ready. If they don't, if they're not open,
Open.
don't eat.
Yeah.
Okay?
Don't force them open.
That's right. See, that's where the real flavor is coming from when you start to caramelize.
Yeah.
Because we're not gonna cook it to death either. Okay?
Smells so good.
Yeah. Just want to get the onion and the garlic caramelized a bit.
Yeah, the sun coming back.
See that?
Is that on a medium heat?
That's pretty much, that's not high.
And if we try and caramelize it, then it's fine.
I know, I always
Just watch
burn
the
it.
video when you see it.
Okay? Now I'm gonna reduce my heat.
Go ahead.
Alright, and this we're gonna add a little wine as well. Salt to taste, not too much. Pepper. Using pepper. And in a few minutes, it will be done.
Wow.
Mhm. Wow. Ah. I'm ready.
We're almost there, alright? Bear with me. And these are fresh, so it might take a little bit more time to.
Ah, so that's the key.
That's right.
If they open too fast, they're not
That's right.
freshest.
That's right.
How long have you been cooking here at Hermitage?
Just over 12 years.
Oh, wow.
Oh yeah, it's been a while. Hermitage Bay is a very nice place to work.
That's
Yeah.
good though.
Yeah.
It's like always good when you see consistency with people who work at a property. It
That's right.
means they like it. They like the people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
That's right. There's not much place to get to work where you get the opportunity to do a different menu every single night for dinner.
Yeah.
we were wondering that, like, is every night different? And that it's your creation that you come up with?
Oh yeah. Well, I will not take full credit for that because, as I said, it's a team of us.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's the best part of it for me to be able to come up with
Yeah.
with a different menu every
It's
single
like
night.
6 different mains a night. You know, it's
That's
like
right.
it's a lot of different menus.
That's right. That's right. So that's the fun part of it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Guys, well, hope you enjoyed the video. I'll take some photos of the end product, but yeah. So now we know how to make cockles stew. Well, cockles with a stew and lobster, like fresh lobster from Antigua. So great. Anyways, I'll check in later. So we're here at Hermitage. We're just here for a night just to check things out. You know, you gotta, if you're telling people where to go, you need to know about the property. So we're here for a night, and so far it's lovely. Everything's lovely. So hope you guys enjoyed the presentation. Bye.